Good morning, students. Today we are going to learn about one of the basic topics of English language. So I've written few sentences, right? The first one says, read the following sentences. You are going to read the sentences. I'm reading it for you. I have visited Mumbai many times. Second, the army is moving to the war front. An aeroplane is made of aluminium. She is sitting on the chair. Honesty is the best policy. The words that have been circled. Do you notice anything in these words? What are these? Yes, these are nouns. Noun. So, what is a noun? A noun is a word that refers to the name of a person, place, animal, thing, quality, or an idea. Right? If there is a word that defines any person, a place, an animal, a thing, then we call them as nouns. Now, everything that we see around us or talk about is represented by a word that names it, right? That defines it. And these words are also known as, therefore, naming words. So, nouns are also known as naming words. Now, if I talk about a person, say for example, Ram, Alan, Jatin, etc. These are all the name of a person. Now, if I talk about animals like rat, shark, cow, dog, etc. Now, these are all animals. Now, if I talk about place, London, school, India, house, these are all what? Places. Things like table, chair, these are all what? The names of a thing. Now, quality, it can be kindness, it can be honesty, it can be faith, it can be joy. Hope this is clear. Now, let us come to the next topic, which is kinds of noun. Right? Now, there are 5 kinds of noun. Common noun, proper noun, collective noun, abstract noun, material noun. Let's come revise it again. Common noun, proper noun, collective noun, abstract noun, material noun. Now let us come to the first one, which is common noun. It is the word that is used for a class or a category of a person, place, thing, which are of same kind. Right? Say for example, boy. Say for example, if I'm talking of books, I'm talking of ships, I am talking of trees. These are all what? Common noun. Because we are talking in general. I'm not talking of a particular tree. I'm not talking of a particular boy. I'm not talking of a particular book. So these are all what? Common noun. Now say for example, a lion is a ferocious animal. Very dangerous animal. So if I talk about what is the common noun in the sentence, it is lion. Because I'm not talking of a particular lion. I'm talking of a general animal. Now, next one is my favorite newspaper is the Hindustan Times. If I tell you to underline a common noun, what is it? Yes, newspaper. So, what is it? Newspaper. Because I'm not talking of a general newspaper when I'm talking of the word newspaper. But if I am talking of the Hindustan Times, I am talking of a particular newspaper. So, this is a common noun. While I'm talking of a particular newspaper, so it becomes a proper noun. Right? Now let us come to the next one, which is proper noun. It is the name of a particular person, organization, or a thing. Right? It generally starts with a capital letter. Say for example, Delhi, D capital, India, I capital, Asia, A capital. Similarly, these are all what? It defines either a name of a person or a place or an organization or a thing. Now say for example, Mohan is my brother. So Mohan is a proper noun and it is starting with a capital letter also. Now if I talk about brother is what? It is a common noun. Now I have made that specification of brother. Who is it? Mohan. So Mohan is a proper noun. Now if I see the second sentence, Kalidas was the Shakespeare of India. Now I am talking of Kalidas. I am talking of Shakespeare as well as I am talking of India. So Kalidas, Shakespeare and India. Specific person and specific place. So these are all what? Proper nouns. Now, is this clear? Now let us come to the next one, which is collective noun. So when we are talking about a group, so the words that name a group of people, it can be a group of animal, it can be a group of a thing. We call it as collective nouns. Now, for example, a dash of keys. So what do we fill? A bunch of keys. So what is the collective noun? It is bunch. Next, a team of players. it has a group of players. No, generally, say if I talk about a cricket team, it has 11 players in it. So a group. So it is a team of players. Right? Now, if I give you another sentence which says, she gave me a bunch of grapes. If I tell you to identify the collective noun, what is it going to be? Yes, a bunch of grapes. Next, a crowd collected in the street. So what is the collective noun in it? Crowd, because a group of people have gathered over there. Now, if I tell you in the second sentence, tell me which is the common noun. So yes, street, which is a common noun, and crowd is a collective noun because I'm talking of a group of people. Is this clear? Now let us come to the next one, which is abstract noun. It refers to a quality or an idea, but it does not refer to a concrete object. Right? Say for example, table, chair. We can see them, we can touch them, but abstract nouns are nouns that cannot be seen, they cannot be touched, but they can be felt. Say for example, honesty. I can feel whether somebody is honest or not. So, friendship. I can feel the friendship with somebody, with a friend of mine. Excitement. These are generally made from the word. Say for the word in honesty is honest, and I have added a suffix and it has become honesty. Honesty is an abstract noun. So, similarly, this is how we make abstract noun. So, the word is friend, but I am adding a suffix in it which is ship. So, it becomes friendship. Now, say for example, I give you a sentence, I value his judgment. So, what is the abstract noun in it? Yes, judgment. Next, he spent his last years in peace. So, again, peace. It can be felt. I cannot see it, I cannot touch it, but I can feel it. So, again, it's an abstract noun. Now, the last one, which is material noun. Words that name materials or substances that are used to make different things. Like that are substances that are used or materials that are used to make a different thing. Say for example, plastic. Plastic is used to make a variety of things. Say for example, a table, a chair. So that is what we are using plastic. It's a material that is being used to make a chair. So what is the material noun in it? Plastic. Now, marble is used as a building material. So what is the material noun in it? Which substance is being used? Marble. So marble is known as a material noun. Now is this clear? I hope till here the kinds of noun and what is the noun is clear to you. So in the next class we'll be reading about countable and uncountable noun as well as how to form a abstract noun. Now along with this I'm going to send you an exercise which is based where you have to underline the nouns, and the second question says where you have to identify which kind of a noun is it, and then one exercise will be on the sentences. I'll be giving you a list of collective nouns which you're going to learn and write all these things in your practice notebooks, which we are going to check when you'll come to school. Thank you.